Having obtained the various slopes, and really we probably want to do this for each slope, we time the cart as it accelerates down the ramp to determine the velocity it attains. Another alternative here would be to rig up some sort of a ramp on this end. I'm not going to do that here, but some sort of a ramp, and maybe make some sort of a smooth transition with some sort of a curved piece of metal or something, so that the cart goes off the end of the ramp and then travels along a horizontal path, or some sort of a path where it doesn't speed up or slow down. That wouldn't actually be a horizontal path. It would have a little bit of slope because, again, if the cart is absolutely horizontal, it's not going to go anywhere, but there is a slope where it'll move at a pretty much constant velocity. And we could time the cart after it comes off of the ramp to determine its velocity, its final velocity, and we can use that in one way or another to calculate our acceleration. Then we're going to compare the acceleration of the cart down the ramp with the amount of force, and we're going to measure force by the number of washers. Okay, so we would say that what we have here is a 2-washer force. So 2-washer force pulled the cart up a certain incline at a constant velocity. That force, that 2-washer force, should be pretty much equal to the force that accelerates the cart down the incline. Whatever force is necessary to push the cart up the incline is going to be felt by the cart as it moves back down the incline. Now there's a little bit of difference because there's a little frictional resistance in the cart as we go up the incline, and there's a little frictional resistance as we go down the incline. And if you think about it, that frictional resistance means that the actual force was not exactly equal to the 2-washer force. And we'll talk about how that works in a minute. In any case, the data that you get from this experiment is the number of washers and the slope at which that number of washers will pull the cart at a constant speed, and the acceleration of the cart as it goes down that incline.